Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are currently in the middle of an order right now. I'm sitting in the parking lot waiting for my buddy to pick up the food. In this video we are going to show you the rest of our dash and also what we do after we are done dashing.
Alright, so we just picked up this order. We got 3 pizzas and a salad. Now we're headed out to deliver it. Alright, so we just dropped off our pizza order and now we're on to Chipotle. It's been kind of a slow night here. We're getting a lot of orders that are way out of our zone and ones that we don't really want to drive 45 miles round trip to go deliver for only like $9. So it's been kind of a slow night. This car, I swear to God.
Alright, sorry, we were kind of interrupted. A car cut us off and we almost hit him. Anyway, this is going to be the last order of the night. It's Chipotle, and after that we're going to go wash the car and just go on with our night.
Alright, so one thing I want to make very clear is that DoorDash is not a full-time job. I see lots of videos out on YouTube that are bashing the pay and everything, and if you're in this to try to make a living off of this, it's not going to happen. If you work 40, 50 hours a week, maybe you can pick up like $800, $1,000, but you have to work your butt off to get it.
We work about 8 to 10 hours a week, and our goal is usually $120, and we easily make that happen. And it's enough to pay the payments we need to make.
Yeah.
On top of our other jobs that we have.
Correct. And really all me and him do this for is to make our car payments, which making $120 a week is more than enough to sustain that goal. And I want to be clear, this is not me bashing DoorDash for how they pay their drivers. It's just me simply saying to the people that are complaining that you don't get enough money, that you shouldn't go into this thinking that you're going to make
a bunch of money.
Right, it's going to be enough to make small payments like we make. I wouldn't own this car without DoorDash. That's the fact, but that's all it pays for. It pays for nothing else.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get.
Alright, so that's going to be it for this. Hope you enjoyed what we managed to pull together through this video, whether it was the edits or the DoorDash.
And we hope to upload about 1 to 2 videos a week, whether it be DoorDash or just a general vlog.
So, with that being said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions about DoorDash or anything in general, leave them down below. I will respond to all of them. So that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.